What's up guys, Garrett with Aldan American, and today I've got our new RCX line of double adjustable coilovers. Check this kit out. So with the RCX line, you're gonna receive 2 coil springs to match your OEM spring pockets. You're also gonna get a set of our new RCX Double Adjustable coilover shocks. What's the benefit of a double adjustable? Well, with these, you'll be able to lower 2 inches out of the box. And that's 2 inches of lowering whether you're running a stock control arm or a set of aftermarket tubular control arms. With our RCX line, you also gain both rebound and compression adjustment out of the shock. So what do those do? More adjustment offers more control, better handling, and overall more performance within your shock. They're fully bolt-on. With the shock and spring, they're designed to fit in just about any classic muscle car, 2-wheel drive pickup, and we're launching new applications daily. So for the RCX Double Adjustable coilovers, let's check it out. We've got a couple set up here on a 2nd gen Camaro clip bolted onto Frank's 1955 Chevy pickup. I'll show you guys kind of how these go into a chassis and also how they work. How do you adjust them? Now, as you can see on this Camaro clip, we're running the stock control arms upper and lower, and our RCX line bolts right in. Now, if you had a set of aftermarket tubular arms, it's gonna work just the same. The lower coilover mount bolts to the top side of that control arm, and the upper and the spring as well all fit into that factory spring pocket. So that bucket spring seats in there, and then the coilover shock actually bolts through the top mount. So now that our coilover's installed, we've got on the RCX series, we've got our rebound adjuster at the top, and we've got our compression adjustment at the bottom. So for the rebound adjusters, what you'll do is you'll bottom this knob all the way out, which is clockwise. And once that's set, now you're ready to adjust. So we typically recommend backing it out or going counterclockwise. You're gonna wanna turn it 10 clicks or so. And that'll be a baseline setting for the rebound. On that rebound adjustment too, you have a total of 30 points of rebound adjustment. Now moving on to the lower side, we've got our compression adjuster. These compression adjustments have a total of 6 points of adjustment. And for a street application, we typically start them off on the 1 or 2 setting. So with that combination, those are both the baseline settings for the shock adjustment. Now moving on to the spring, with these springs, they're linear springs. So we recommend setting them up with at least 1 inch of preload. So if that spring's a 10-inch spring, start off 9 inches installed, and that's your baseline setting. Now based on where you want your ride to be, where you want the truck or car to sit, you may end up adjusting that preload up or down from there using a spanner wrench. So here we've got our RCX line of coilovers, rebound at the top, compression at the bottom. You'll need a spanner wrench to adjust your ride height and set your spring preload. But once you got all set, you're able to get wheels on the ground and go. So check out aldanamerican.com and check out our year, make, model finder, because we've got thousands of applications. And if you're looking for double adjustables, this may be the kit for you.